In primetime news this evening, multi-million drought mitigation program launched.
A JUTC bus fleet gets a boost.
And later, another woman arrested and charged in relation to mummified remains of an elderly woman. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, coming up later in this newscast, we'll have the latest gas prices, but Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Janella. Jamaica's sports mecca, the National Stadium, the office, is set for major repair work. We'll give you the details a bit later on.
Looking forward to hear about that, Janella.
Definitely.
And there's also sports coverage for E-Prime and weather in this newscast.